Hello and welcome guys. In this video we will draw this isometric example. Of course, first of all I will make a line to start up the drawing. I will come up by 30 angles by 58 as you see it in the picture. If you see this angle, we have no dimension on it in the example, so probably you will get it like that in the exam. So what you need to do, I will complete the drawing from this side, and by this I will come up from the other side for it. Then I will make a straight line between that point and this point, between the down point and the upper one. Now I will make a straight line, and that's it. I will come up for the other side by 30 angles, of course. If you did this one to down by 30 angles, you need to do this one for the other one also at 30 angles. And the reason of this, because you need to make that circle in the middle. If you didn't do the both sides in 30 angles, you will have some problems in that circle, so probably you will not get a perfect circle. Of course you will not get a perfect circle, so you need to make the angle of the down also to the right one, to the right side, similar to the other one. Using copies always is a good idea, because this will complete the work faster for you. I will come up by 5. And angle, of course, the negative for 30 is 150. That's how it is in that kind of workspace. If you put the angle to the 180 and from the other side 180. If you was working in 360 angles, it will be a bit different. I prefer that one because it's easy, and that's how I used to. Come down by 11, 90 angles, and make a line by 30 angles. After I complete this side, I will copy this one now. Then to clean this one up, I will use trim to clean up everything. If you click on trim, you just press enter on the screen. So after that you click on the points and the sides that you want to delete. If you go back to my older videos, you will find me explaining everything about trim and tools. So for making the isometric circle, I need to describe the size of this, because the circle is 25 radius, so I will make for every side a 25 as a square. Then what I will do, I will copy this to complete the square, and after I copy everyone and finish them, what I will do is deleting the middle of the square, because I don't need those signs, they will miss the work. Then I will make the isometric circle lines to get the perfect circle inside that square. There is another way using the isometric circle. Probably I will explain them in other videos. This is the last arc. Now that's end here. We'll click to bring them to another layer. I will select everyone. The lines that I don't need them in the design or drawing, so I click in this layer and that's it. Now I will come up by cleaning the circle and copy it, but I need to make a center point. So what I will do, I will make a line from the middle of circle, and according to the points in the picture I will give it 10 by 150 angle and 20 by 150 angle, then also 10 and the same angle. I will connect them to make it look easier. So I will connect this side also. I will copy this one to the other side. I will select everything to copy it, and I will choose the middle point to make a perfect something like array circles, and that's it. I will speed up the video to just clean and add some points. And this is the last steps. I will come down and copy it. I will connect them. Then I will come down by 15, the angle 90. Then I will come to the negative side 150 by 20 or 15, just cross the line here because I will trim it later, and I will connect by 30 angle. Then I will copy this one to here, and after copy I will speed up the video now. So I will here just cleaning up the end points because the whole drawing is end now. And after you finish everything, just take a look to make everything is perfect. And this video end here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.